Action. Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. So today our video will be a tutorial on how to create an accent wall using wood planks. And we did this a while back in my boyfriend's master bedroom, and so you'll get to see our inspiration picture, and then you're going to be able to see exactly how we did it, everything we did to make it everything that it is, and then you'll get to see the finished product. So stay tuned and check it out. This is our inspiration picture, and here we are going in with our marker and pencil to make sure that we have all of the marks done on the wood planks to make the cuts with the saw so our diamonds can be precise and all of our measurements are good, and make sure that they fit onto the wall. Now you're seeing us going in with the satin black that we picked out for the wood planks and painting the wood planks with that satin black because we wanted it to stand out from the wall itself, because we used a matte black to paint the wall. And now we're going in to measure out our diamonds to make sure that everything is perfect and everything is evenly spaced. And if you can imagine, we had to do this quite a few times because our ruler wasn't long enough. So we had to use a poster board. And I'm a perfectionist and he's a perfectionist. So we definitely wanted it to be perfect. So we kept having to go back and measure just to make sure that all of our measurements were right. Going back in to make some more cuts for our bigger diamonds and to make sure that all of our original cuts were right. Now this is us preparing to put on our very first diamond, the center that we will basically build off of for the rest of the video. And we definitely made some errors with that first diamond, but we improved after that because our first cuts were not as exact as we thought they were, and we didn't have time to go back to the store to buy some more wood to make more. So we just decided to use the ones that we had and move on from there, and then correct our mistakes using the caulk later. We definitely felt the need to celebrate after that, but now we're into the next day, and he's going in with the caulk to make sure that the diamonds look seamless. And we go in with the caulk first before we're finished with the other diamonds, because we want to let it dry, and we want to make sure that all of the errors that we made were covered up. So now we're going in with the bigger diamonds, and we're going to use the nail gun to insert them into the wall to make sure they stay on the wall. Okay, so now we're on the very last step, which was us basically painting over all of the caulk and all of the spackle that we had to put onto the nail holes from the nail gun. We had to put some spackle on the holes from the nail gun because they made some really deep holes, and then we ended up having to wait for the spackle to dry and then sand the spackle. So this is us covering up all of the spackle and covering up the caulk that we had to use to make sure the diamonds looked seamless.